Hope you guys are doing well. In this video I'm going to tell you that how you can edit a video on Canva. So let's start. So first of all we have to write Canva here. After writing Canva you have to search any video you want to edit. For example I'm not gonna search any video. I'm going to use the previous video I have used for editing. So I'm gonna use this one. Now as you can see I have the old template of the video I have used in my project. So I have a simple view of the video and I have used some text, pictures and audio sound. So let me tell you that how you can edit a text. Here's the text. If you want to edit a text, simply you can edit it. You can change the text from here and you can increase or decrease the size of the text from here. You can make it bold, italic, underline. You have the basic formatting options are here, and here you will get the font style. You can also change the font style too, and from here you can manage alignments, and here you are going to see the list option, and here you will see the spacing option. If you want to add spacing in letter spacing or in line spacing, you can do the both options. You will get the both options here. Here you also have an effect option. If you want to effect on text like shadow, stroke, outline, or any option or any effect you want to add in your text, you can easily do that from here. After that we have an option fade, so leave it that we will discuss this option next time. We have a position, you can change the position. These are the basic options for your text properties. After that we have a picture. If you want to change this picture or you want to put a video instead of this, so you can easily do that. What you have to do, simply you have to drag your image here. You have to upload your video or image here. I'm going to upload this one image. For example, I'm going to upload this image. I have uploaded this. After this I'm going to upload a short video that I can add in my video. So let's find a short video. For example, I'm going to use this one and open it. So here you can see in the images part, you have to take this image and you have to drag here. For example, I'm going to put here. As you can see, our image is replaced. With the same way you have to add a video. For example, you have to put this video here and your video will be adjusted. If you want to adjust a video, you have to double click on it and manage the video here, and then click on the done. You have to press. Now as you can see, our video is done. This is the basic and simple way of how you can edit a video. And here's the video. If you want to put a cut, you can easily do that. You have to double click on it. We have a sound here, and you have to, if you want to edit a sound or change the sound, as you can see the sound layer is here. You can increase or decrease. If you want to edit sound features, we have sound here. If you want to edit sound, so you can easily do that. You have to click on audio effects. You have a fade in and fade out. If you want to increase fade in and fade out, you can do that from here. After that you have adjust option. You can also adjust the sound, that if you want to crop, cut or trim the sound. After that you have a beat synth. If you want to use this option, this one is for the pro one, so they can do this easily. After this I'm going to click on here simply, and our video is ready to watch. If you want to see the video, you just simply have to click on this option. So these are the basic properties for editing a video. I hope you understand this video. So now what we have to do, we have to do that how you can convert a video or how you can export the video. You have to click on the share. After clicking on the share, you have to click on the download. After download, you have to select the MP4 video here, and then simply you have to click on the download. After clicking on the download, your video downloading process will be started and your video will be downloaded shortly. So I hope you understand this video. See you in the next video.